Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Now, have you ever wondered why freshwater fish dies in seawater and marine fish cannot survive in river? Answer is osmoregulation. It is a process by which organisms maintain the correct balance of water and salt inside the body. So remember, one simple principle is water always moves from hypotonic solution to hypertonic solution by osmosis. Now let us understand how the fishes solve. Now let us see about freshwater. In freshwater, the fishes are living in hypotonic environment. Hypotonic environment means outside is less salt, means it is less concentrated. So body is actually now hypertonic as compared to freshwater. So what are the problems which they are having problem? First problem is water will enter. Too much water will enter because water always move from hypotonic condition to hypertonic. Second is they will be losing the salt. So these are the two problems they are facing. So how do they solve it? What is a solution they have developed? First of all, they will never drink water. They will never drink water. Clear? Drinking of water is not done. Then second, what they are doing it, they will produce large volume of dilute urine. Dilute urine will be in the large volume. Third, they are having large glomerulus. They are having large glomerulus in the kidney so that plenty of water can be filtered into the urine. And fourth, they are having chloride cell. They are having specialized chloride cells in gills for absorption of the sodium and chlorine ions from the surrounding water so as to actively absorb sodium and chlorine ions from surrounding water. So freshwater fishes which are living in hypotonic medium, first problem is the water will keep on entering by osmosis and salt will be lost. So how do they solve this problem? First, they will not drink water. Then they will excrete dilute urine. And they are having the chloride cells present in the gills for active absorption of the sodium and chlorine ions. Now let us come to the next, that is marine bony fishes. If you see bony fishes, they are living in hypertonic medium. They are living in hypertonic medium. It means they are having the more salt outside. So it means fishes are behaving like a hypotonic. Is it clear? Body fluid of the fishes will be hypoosmotic to the surrounding. So what are the problems they are having? The problem is loss of water will be very high. Water will be lost. And second is salt will be entering inside. The salt gain will be there. So what is the solution they have developed? Solution they have developed is first they will drink water. They will drink water. Now when they are drinking water, because of the water, salt is coming inside. So they are having the chloride cells. They are having specialized chloride cells to remove excess salt. To remove excess salt. Clear? They are having chloride cells in the gills to remove excess salt. Then they are excreting the urine which is not diluted, means concentrated urine. Concentrated urine will be released, and then the kidney will have very small or no glomerulus. Small, or you can say no glomerulus is present in their kidney. So you can see here these are the problems. Water is lost, salt is gained, and how are they solving this problem? They are solving the problem by drinking water. They are having the chloride cell to remove excess salt, and they are releasing urine which is concentrated, or you can say isotonic only also, and kidney with no glomerulus. Now about the cartilaginous fishes, that is shark and ray. This is the one very interesting. If you see, they also live in seawater, but they use complete different strategy. Instead of removing all urea, they retain urea. Important point, they retain urea. And you know urea can damage their protein. So protecting their protein, they will also accumulate one another compound that is known as TMAO. That is your trimethyl amine oxide. This chemical they will accumulate together with urea plus this, they are trying to make the osmotic concentration of the body fluid higher. They are trying to make the osmotic concentration of body fluid higher, means it will behave like a hypertonic. Please focus, it will behave like a hypertonic. Though they are living in the hypertonic medium, but body fluid is hypertonic to surrounding medium. So as a result, water keep on coming by osmosis. Water will enter by osmosis. They don't drink any water. They don't need to drink any water. Salt will be gaining by diffusion and excess will be removed by the kidney. Kidney will remove the excess urea and excrete very small amount of urine. And excess salt, please focus, excess salt is removed by rectal gland. Please hear this, the term rectal gland is there. Clear? So main key concept, let us just revise once again. Freshwater fishes, they are living in hypotonic conditions. So water enter and salt leave. So what is the solution? They don't drink water, they produce dilute urine and they absorb salt through gills. Marine bony fishes, if you see marine bony fishes, what they are doing, they are living in hypertonic condition. So water leaves, salt enter. So to compensate, they have to drink water, they have to excrete salt through gills and they produce very little urine. Shark and rays, they are doing some different strategy. Strategy is they will retain urea and TMAO just to make their body fluid slightly hypertonic to the surrounding seawater. As a result, water enter by osmosis. And excess salt is released through rectal gland. Is it clear? Excess salt is released through rectal gland. So memory trick for the NEET is fresh water, water in, salt out. Marine bony fishes, water out, salt in. Shark, keep urea so that water keep on coming inside. And it's a very important concept for your NEET. I hope so this video might be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then please follow and subscribe to my channel so that I'll be making more interesting and conceptual videos related to the topic covering your NEET exam.